Hey guys, that one Andrew here and back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox a couple of editions of Dead or Alive Xtreme 3. Children, do not watch this. I have two versions here. The Vita version and the PS4 version. But also, I have this, which was from the original PS4 version, the Fortune version. I didn't get that edition, but I did get this mouse pad, so I figured I would have this mouse pad out and just show it real quick. It's a mouse pad. So yeah, I'm gonna set that over there. But we're gonna go ahead and just unbox these. These are some collector's editions. This I got this year, just like a month ago, but this one I've had since release, and I don't believe I ever did a video over it, so I decided why not unbox them both and kind of show what is included in this. I know this version, Scarlet, you can get for less than $100 or around $100 right now. I'm not sure about Venus. I haven't looked it up recently, but I'm sure it's not too expensive either. So we're gonna go ahead and just start opening this. As you may know, these games did not release in America. They're too they're too anime for America, if that's a fun way of putting it. But right away, when we open the Vita version, you of course get the Vita game, which the game is actually in my Vita case collection, whatever you want to say. It's not in here right now, but typically the game would be in there. You got a couple of screenshots on the back of some of the mini games. Of course, there's volleyball, because this is beach volleyball. I don't know what that is. It worries me though. Yeah, and then you got the front of Venus. Over here, if I can use my fingers like a functioning human. There we go. It comes with some playing cards. I have not opened these. I don't plan on opening them, but as you can see, the girls are featured on each card, and they're just playing cards. Yep, you got all your jacks and queens and kings and aces and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, go ahead and open this up like so. We have another mouse pad right over there, and as you can see, compared to this one, this mouse pad is it's of a redheaded girl this time, which is really interesting because I like the blonde-haired girl, but I feel like the redhead girl just kind of makes the room pop some more. So I think I like this mouse pad better just because of the colors. It's really more eccentric, and her eyes are a little shinier and prettier. So yeah, so far this is my favorite mouse pad because of her eyes. Yeah, so over here, the last thing we have in this edition is an art book, which a lot of these collector's editions come in. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna show the top of it. You can imagine what you can imagine. Oh, there's not really any director commentary on these, but there. Oh my. These. Oh. So yeah, you get a nice little art book. It shows really the dedication that the developers had in putting all that detail into these models for this game. So yeah, again, I like that art book. It has a lot of good colors in it, a lot of nice designs and things like that. So with Venus, that's the PS Vita version, you got the game, playing cards, art book, and then so far the best mouse pad because of her hair, which is really the only difference from this one. Yeah, that's blonde hair, and then that one has red hair. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Scarlet real quick. Over here, same size box. The cardboard in this is really nice. It's very smooth. It's got that nice finish to it. It's very colorful. This one pops a lot, which I like. Very pretty. So let's go ahead and open it. And as you'll see, it's pretty similar to the last design. Right up here, have the game in the case. This one's actually in the case. This is the revised edition of Dead or Alive Xtreme 3. Add another character. It might look better too. Go look at the back. We have all of our lovely what do you call them? I guess protagonists, our lovely females, all ready to go. Some more screenshots. Added mini game of hula hooping, which is fantastic. This time instead of playing cards, they gave us this, which is a thing, and it moves. Well, some of it moves, and then we got this. She's wearing clothes. Alakazam! Shabam. Yeah, it's interesting. It's very interesting. I'll go ahead and open this up and... Oh, see, so this one... This is a good mouse pad. What's great about this mouse pad is the yellow ribbon in her hair and that star. It really shows that she still has some type of youthful innocence even in her maturing age. And it's really nice to see that the developers really care to show things like that. To show that they still have that innocence and that childlike wonder in games like these. So yeah, this mouse pad's pretty good too, similar to the red-haired one. The blonde-haired one, she's fine. I think it's just the black ribbons aren't the best, but these two, their hair color and their youthful innocence is really what I like about them. Alright, over here we have one more art book. This one is a girthy boy. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and compare for a second. So this was Venus. This is Scarlet. A lot bigger. I guess they had a lot more art. Oh, and there's actually like, okay, it's contents probably of each girl. Whoop. Yep. Yep, this is good art. It's good art. But some of these pages are kind of sticking together. That's weird. Yep. It's just, why is this sticking together? Yep. Alright, so yeah, it's awesome, amazing artwork. And that's all there is to that. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you like these editions, like I said, you can get them pretty cheap on eBay right now. Well, at least this one that I found. I think this one is my favorite mouse pad just because of her hair. She's got really pretty and nice hair. If you'd like to see any more unboxings, let me know. I got quite a few ones that I just never did, so chances are, or not chances are, but you never know, I might have it. So let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I appreciate you all, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.